In this video, I'm going to show you how you can watch British TV from abroad. I'm Louise Elizabeth and welcome to Every Bit Helps. I really hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you do then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button and share if you feel that others may benefit. Also, please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. If you're from the UK and travelling abroad, you may not want to miss out on your favourite soaps, series or sports events. And if you've tried to watch these from another country previously, you may be used to the dreaded message that the iPlayer only works in the UK, or that it's unavailable for the country or region due to rights issues. So if you're a Corrie or EastEnders fan and you don't want to wait until after your holidays to find out the latest storylines, or worse still, someone tells you the ending of the latest drama, then here's how. And it's a pretty simple process to follow and can be done in just a few steps. When you're away, you need to connect your VPN to a server of your choice in the UK. And when you log into your iPlayer account, your location will appear like you're in the UK. Therefore, you have access to all your standard British programmes. This will also work if you want to watch UK Netflix from abroad, or if you're in the UK and you want to watch Netflix US. I've actually created another video for that, which I'll pop in the summary below. So how does a VPN work? Well, I'll try and keep this simple as possible and hopefully I won't lose you. A VPN, or virtual private network, tunnels your internet traffic through an intermediary server located in a country that you choose. It can also hide your IP address and replaces it with one from the country that you've chosen, making it look like you're in that country. A VPN also encrypts all your traffic so that it's hidden even from your internet service provider. The VPN provider that I personally recommend, and one that I use for watching these iPlayers, is ExpressVPN. It's nice and easy to use, and you can pay for your subscription with the likes of Bitcoin to keep you anonymous. As an added bonus, they also have a pretty good 30-day money-back guarantee, which is handy if you're going away on holiday, then for whatever reason you decide you don't want to use it again. Plus, they have over 1,500 servers in 94 different countries, which can provide you with a wide range of options. And they not only support BBC and ITV Player, but also a whole host more. If you're interested in signing up for ExpressVPN, I'll pop my link in the summary below, and if you use it, it will really help me to grow my channel. Now, I'm currently outside of the UK at the moment, and as you can see, I'm not connected to my VPN. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you my access without a VPN being connected to begin with. And if I go to watch one of the highlights from the Six Nations Championships, for example, you can see that I get an error message stating, sorry, this video isn't available right now. Check out our show sections for more great programmes. And the reason for this is that I'm outside of the UK. If I do the same thing with trying to watch EastEnders, for example, you can see here that it states that the BBC iPlayer only works in the UK. Sorry, it's due to rights issues. So what we need to do is we need to connect to the UK so that it appears that we are there. So I'll just head over to my ExpressVPN client now. And if I click onto the location, go to the United Kingdom, I can then select from the different types of servers available within the UK. Now, obviously, you can then select the fastest one that was available. For ease of use at the moment, I'm just going to select UK London and then go to connect. So now that that's connected, it will appear like I'm in the UK. So with the different types of iPlayers, you may need to log out of some of these. However, I'm just going to go straight to my ITV Player now. Go to view that. And as you can see, it's now allowing me to watch that programme. Now with the BBC iPlayers, you sometimes do need to clear some of your history or cookies. So what I'm going to do is just head back over to the iPlayer now. And you may then need to re-sign into your account. Then if I click on to play, you'll see that episode is then starting to play for me. Now, I know that some people do worry about the speed when you do connect via VPN, so you can also run a speed test, which I'm going to show you now. So just over on my ExpressVPN client, if I click onto the three horizontal lines in the top left-hand corner here, I can go to speed test. From here, I can then run a speed test. I can then do a search on my location. And from here, I could then choose the fastest download speed available for my location. So as you can see, it's a really easy process to access your iPlayers from abroad. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at www.everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.